Once we beat back the virus, the president must be held accountable.
Amazingly, our ruling class is taking Trump's side. Some of our leaders are doing this on purpose because they're getting rich from Trump. Many in the media are just too dumb to know the difference.
You can't really trust what President Trump is saying about how this virus is transmitted or the treatment.
What did President Trump know, and when did it know it?
Karl Rove will be here to tell you why Donald Trump is to blame for the massive disruption to your daily life.